Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a semi-small haul and a thank you. So let's jump right in. First off, thank you so much, Gloria. She sent me some Happy Mail and she sent me these dies here. She no longer wanted them, and I love dies, so she can bring them on anytime. So I got those. And she also sent me this. Love this. Super cute. Who doesn't love gingerbreads? And then she had an extra one of these, and she almost also sent me this. And then over at Tuesday morning, let's go there next. Tuesday morning, they had these markers, sketch markers, and I wanted to pick those up. They were only $4, so I said, why not? The alcohol works with other alcohol markers, so it was perfect for me. And they also had this chunky glitter paper pad, which is from Recollections. It was $3.99. And let me show you these. And I like this, and I did use a little small piece there. Look at those colors, just so bright and vibrant. I love the fact that they have black in there and the gold. And so, yeah, and I used a piece of the white. So I really like that. It really doesn't come off, although you see a few pieces, but yeah, it doesn't really come off at all. So I like that. I went over to Hobby Lobby because I needed one of these, a new one. So I picked that up, $2.99. I also picked up these garment pins because I wanted some garment pins, so I got both of those. This one I got out of the sewing section, and then this one. I also picked up this here, which is some clay bits there, and they're Christmas trees. So I thought that would go well in the shaker mix. LDRS, they had a sale a few weeks back, and I'm a little late with it. So as you can tell, how old this haul is. It's about over the course of the last month and a half or so. Anyways, LDRS had a sale, and it was a really good sale. And I want to say this was like $2 or $3. Can't remember. I think it was like $2. It may have been even like $1.70 or something like that. Really good price. They do show you how they created something for a little bit of inspiration on the back. This here was just like so much fun. I thought that was just too cute. This little snowman is what got me, and I love their image on the back side. And I got that along with these dies. And I want to say this was about like $7 total for the Stampin' dies. And then this was like a great buy. I want to say it was like $3 or something like that. Really, really good buy. And I am so glad to have it. And thank you so much, So Good All, because she was the one that told me they were having a sale. And who doesn't like a great sale? I was right over there. And then when I showed all of those little shorts of Hobby Lobby having a sale, this is the same day I picked up all of this stuff. So I picked up a couple of these. And these are the adhesive sheets, $7.19. Not the greatest buy, but I was out, so I wanted some more of these, and I picked them up. I wanted this pie die, and so I was able to get that as well. And these little soldiers, wasn't for sure if I was going to keep them. By now I'm keeping them, but they have so many pieces, so many pieces. So that's why I was so undecided. But hey, I have it now. Not going to take it back, so it's in my stash. And I also picked up this. This was a little bit bigger than what I had expected. So I was just like almost on the fence because of how big it was, but I'm going to keep it. I love all of the creations that I see with this. So really like that. And I went out to Hobby Lobby a couple weeks ago maybe, and I picked up this one. Maybe last week, I think. I picked up this one because what I wanted this for, not that I needed more flowers at all, but I wanted this for the cattails, and I couldn't shake it. And it just stayed in my mind. I didn't want to purchase a die set just for these only. But I didn't have anything like that. And so I went back out there and got it. And I love the fact that the cattails are in there. And of course, all the other flowers and stuff are a bonus. So happy to get that. All right. So that's my haul. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.